What is up, YouTube and Outcome Reach family? Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone is having a good morning so far. So, in today's video, we are going to look at a recap of last night's Bitcoin setup. First things first, you can see in the Discord right here yesterday about 10:30 p.m. I sent out this setup right here. This was the before setup that I saw. So let's go and mark this up and talk about what I saw. So this past couple days, excuse me, or this past couple week, or this past week, I should say, um, Bitcoin has been moving up. You can see that this is very bullish. And we had just broken over these highs right here. Well, on the daily time frame, you could see when we broke over these highs, we had inefficiency in this area in the market right in here. So what I did, I went down to the 4-hour time frame to see if I can minimize that inefficiency. And what I saw was from this wick to this wick, there was only buying pressure in this market right here. So what I did was I used this inefficiency and just drug that all the way out there like this. And efficiency. And you can see now, from only buy orders being offered, you can see clearly that the market came down and had that very, very sharp reaction in that area. I also had another target, which did not get hit. It was 50% of this inefficiency, as you can see from the uh, original setup, right? But almost immediately when I sent this setup out, you can see right here, the setup was about like this. See how there was this bullish candle, two indecisive candles, and then we saw that drop straight to this inefficiency. And very, very, very clean, quick setup. Any entry down here in this gray box was what I was looking for. I was looking for a quick 50, 60 pips, and that happened in less than an hour, 2 hours. You can see from this reaction right here, it was about 79, 80 pips off the rip. But yeah, I am currently out of this trade now. 50 pips to the T. A very nice, clean, inefficiency play, playing in line with the trend. No, it is bullish. So yeah, that is that. Here is the after setup right here. So we have the before. You can see this inefficiency box down here, right? And after, we get that quick, nice rejection from this inefficiency down here. Now, This could come back down, fill this inefficiency more, and head back up. But I already collected my 50 pips, and I am currently out of this trade. And it was a nice 50 pips on a Sunday. And that is why I love cryptocurrencies, because you can still, on some brokers, you are still allowed to trade on the weekends. And so yeah, that is this recap. If you guys liked this recap, if you guys got any insight from this recap, give me a like and a subscribe. I would appreciate that very much. And until the next time, let's keep learning, let's keep growing, and I will catch you guys in the next lesson. Peace out.